Stop.
I'll stop if you just explain it to me because I don't...
Would you please just drop it?
All right, fine. Consider it dropped. It's dropped. It's on the ground.
Good.
But I mean, come on, everybody loves birthdays. You got decorations, you got balloons, you got parties, and cake.
Look, I don't need presents. I don't want decorations, and I'm not a cake guy.
Seriously, though, you don't like cake? Name one food better than cake.
Duck.
Oh, again, with the... I bet if I blindfolded you, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the...
Wrong. Snakes have impeccable taste buds. I can taste air.
Air?
Yes, air. Nice.
I don't know. They're a little cute for my taste.
That's what makes them so delicious. You're not just eating food, you're eating pure goodness. It's not about the pig, it's about what it symbolizes on a deeper level.
So you can taste air? What else you got?
Forget about it.
Can you also hear color? Can you see sound?
Okay.
Because we should really be capitalizing on these skills.
All right, fine. Get it all out. Get it all out now.
Okay.
Look at that. 4 p.m. Now I know the exact moment our friendship died.
Let's bounce.
Yup.
Looks like you're gonna stick me with the bill. Again.
Well, it is my birthday.
So now you play the birthday card? That's interesting. Can we get a check, please, when you get a chance? Hello? Checkity, check. You know what? We're just gonna leave the money right here, okay?
You know the one good thing about this place?
What?
We never have to wait for a table.
Isn't that every place?
Hey, man, how you been? I haven't seen you. Snake attack! Oh, mints.
Sorry, folks, I'm switching into decaf.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah?
It's the Rolls Royce of rodents.
Yeah, but it's still a rodent. You know what I mean? Don't mind us, just robbing this place. Go bad
or go home.
Hey, you! Get over here. A little bit closer. Oh, I know what it is. You're afraid because I'm the big bad wolf. Well, I'm not surprised. I am the villain in every story. Isn't that right, Mr. Snake?
Yep.
Say hello to Mr. Snake. Serpentine, safe cracking machine. Imagine Houdini, but with no arms. The guy who'd tell you the glass is half empty, then steal it from you. He's also my best bud. Today's his birthday.
Not relevant.
He's a sweetheart. You're a sweetheart.
Well, look who's here.
Took him long enough. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. And over here is Miss Tarantula, our in-house hacker, our pocket search engine, our traveling tech wizard. We call her Webs. Very slick, Web.
I also took over the police dispatch, blurred their satellite imaging system, grounded their chopper, and one more thing.
You did.
I got a special delivery for... Please,
Happy birthday, Mr. Grumpy Pants.
I think I hate you.
Guys, it's me! I was the construction worker!
And this is Mr. Shark, master of disguise. Apex predator of 1,000 faces. His greatest trick, stealing the Mona Lisa disguised as the Mona Lisa. Dig that.
Watch it, Big Tuna. I'm trying to work here.
Keep it cool, baby. Birthday should be chill.
And rounding out the crew
Surprise!
is Mr. Piranha. He's a loose cannon with a short fuse, willing to scrap with anyone or anything. He's brave. He's fearless. Who am I kidding? He's crazy.
Piranha, did we forget something?
What? The present.
You know,
Oh, of course I didn't forget.
You know you fart when you lie, right?
What? No, I fart when I'm nervous.
Yeah, nervous about lying.
I'm sorry.
I breathed it in!
yeah, they're a bit eccentric, but when you're born us, you don't exactly win many popularity contests. Do I wish people didn't see us as monsters?
8 legs, 8 times the cardio.
Sure I do.
What's up, Papa?
But these are the cards we've been dealt, so we might as well play them.
Jackpot!
What the thorax?
Are you crazy?
What? I just wanted a longer car chase. That's the best part.
Chief! It's...
Them.
Webbs, hit it.
Hip-hop phonics. Yeah, it works for me, so jump aboard. Yeah, the strain is free, the conductor. And the tune, my whistle, the instructor. Of the funky yoga pencil, we be dancing on the rake. When it ain't falls off, but we be walking over rock. While you're thinking you're wrong, or if you're stepping in close, you get the E2T. So I step back.
I'm gonna put you guys away for so long, your fleas will have fleas!
You want some cake? You seem a little angry.
Get that thing out of my face before
Excuse me, Chief.
What?
Stop.
You're mine.
Yeah, we may be bad, but we're so good at it.
No! Keep running, Wolf! One of these days, your luck is gonna run out!